You catch something?
Yes, I think so. Oh, big. Ooh,
Already?
yes. Told you.
Whoa!
Kind of fish.
Oh!
Oh, no.
No? It's a
Catfish.
catfish.
Catfish. Small catfish. Small catfish.
You wanna keep it or release
No,
it?
I need the. I eat too much catfish. Catfish.
You need to vlog in Mandarin.
Gang. He's singing.
Wait. Let me take a picture
Okay.
with this phone.
Oh, so.
Whoa!
Very small. But tasty is good. You know, this size tasty is better. If too big, taste not good.
Okay, release it back to the ocean.